Hello dolls, how you all doing today? Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, I've done this, right? Okay, so yeah, this is Corey's Diamond Platinum Wig, 26 inches. Okay, now here I'm just here to show you how important, how valuable this wig is and what you can do to it. So first of all, this is a straightener. You could tell what it is, you know. So this is it. This is straightening. You see how dead straight is looking. Let's move to me coiling it. Let me pick a section to coil. Okay, let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me take it out. So you see how fluffy the coil is, sweet and easy to work. It is not that kind of, it's not tacky. So now let's use the 3-barrel tongue to do a crimp styling. Okay, so those, see, we're not playing. See the crimp styling. You see how sweet it is. See how sweet it is. So by seeing the texture of the hair, you could tell how lovely the hair is. So fluffy, smooth silk, and with all the coils I did on it and all that. So you can do a lot with this hair. So those, you need to start, you know what to do. DM, it's just DM. Start placing order. This 26 inches. This is sewed already, so it's going out. Yeah, so I'm just doing this to show you guys that you guys can start ordering. It doesn't tangle, it's not frizzy, very silky. By even seeing this, you could tell what a good hair is. Yeah, right? So yes, so start sending your orders. Thank you. And come closer, come closer, come closer. Let me show you the closure. See, closure comes with, bring it to the top. Can you see the closure? You see that? Perfectly swift and flat at the top. It's not bulky. It's not bulky. See the lace is a blend lace, blend in all skin types. So yeah, thank you though. Thank you for always supporting. Bye.